Hey Habib, how have you been?
I'm over the moon, and you?
I'm over the moon as well.
And,
It's so nice to meet you after so long.
yeah. Did you notice today's weather?
Yeah, it's really gloomy today. It looks like it would rain.
Yeah. Maybe it will rain after some time later.
Maybe. It's gloomy, maybe because of the winter.
Yeah.
Winter is coming
yeah.
really soon.
Winter is knocking at the door.
Yeah, because it's already end of October and it's
October,
already
yeah.
started at November.
Yesterday, I called to my hometown, and they say that already winter is already coming into Shariatpur.
Yeah, also in Karniganj, I was like, in the morning today, I was feeling really cold, and I was asking my mother, like, Mom, can you give me a blanket? I feel really cold. And my mother was like, you have to go to class. And in the morning, when I was like telling her, please give me 5 more minutes to sleep, and she was like, no, you have to go, otherwise you'll be late for class. And I was late in the classroom today as well. And I had to pay 20 taka fine because I was 2 minutes late. And our Mahmood sir is really strict about that part, you know?
Yeah. Mahmood sir is not only strict, Mahmood sir is also too friendly. I like him because when I didn't understand any lessons, that's time Mahmood sir again and again teach us its lessons. That's why I love Mahmood sir.
Yeah. And you know, today when Riyad sir came by, I was asking about that topic. Should we talk to Riyad sir? And Mahmood sir was like, you should talk because if I say it, they won't take it seriously. If you say it, they will take it seriously because you are the student here, not me. And I was like, okay, sure. Afterwards, we talked with Riyad sir about that part. He was like, you can change me if you want to, but my teaching method won't change. And I really like his teaching methods because his teaching methods are really incredible. And today as well, he was teaching us really smoothly. And also the students that were complaining about him, they are not complaining anymore because he is teaching us really, making it really easy to understand. And I know that some of the students in our classroom, they don't have a strong foundation to speak, but they should try harder. What do you think about that part?
When I first time come to English Fantasy, this time I actually I didn't know about English, and now also I didn't English properly, but now I gained some confidence from Mahmood sir.
Yeah.
He teaches us not only English, he teaches confidence, how to boost confidence.
Yeah, that's so true. Not only confidence, he also teaches us so much moral about also general life and also other things.
Also behavior
as well, like our manners as well. He is a great mentor, I have to say that.
Yeah. And ask me some question.
So Habib, what do you think about our previous main teachers, Bishwanath sir and Tanvir sir?
I think they are also very good, Bishwanath sir and Tanvir sir also. When I first time came here, and Bishwanath sir teach the lessons again and again, and he know some method, and I never seen this method ever.
Yeah.
And Tanvir sir also too good, and Tanvir sir is also too friendly, and I also like Tanvir sir.
Yeah. Well, anyways, so about our teachers, they are great and all. So we should try our best to reach their expectation and also get to our expectation, our designation. So it was nice meeting you.
Have
a nice day then.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.